We're still in Nami Island. This is a good place. Yan, ang ganda po, oh. We're taking pictures and there's a lot of people here. Yan. Daming puno, eh. Sobrang lamig dito. 10 degrees. Ayan. Hello, Korea. Sobrang lakas ng hangin, ang lamig. Yeah, I remember this is the same location po ng Winter Sonata. And we took a lot of pictures there. Ayan, sobrang lamig. And as you can see, sa banda doon, there's a very good waterfalls. But matindi pa! We'll be staying here until October 4. And hi, Ansel! Kailan ka mag-join ng IMG? Hinihintay ka sa Laguna. How are you? Look, there's more out there. Ayun, layo pa, oh. Layo pa. Hi, Miss Jovi. How are you? Big builder. Mag-CEO na tayo para babalik lahat ng CEO sa dito sa Korea. Okay. Ang ganda dito. Sobrang damig. Thank you, Jovi. Next time kasama na kayo, ha. Ayan, oh. Nag-i-enjoy ang mga taga IMG. And dito sila Ma'am Shirley San Miguel. The big builders of IMG. And ayan. Ang dami namin nakita dito. As in, nakita namin kung gaano kaalaga ng mga Korean sa nature. Ayan, oh. You can hire a bike and a transpo. Ayun, oh. Say hi! Ayan, ganda ng mga ko, oh. Say hi, Tita Ethel.
It's fun to travel.
Yes.
Especially with IMG.
Yeah. Nakatuwa kasi na-amaze din yung mga Koreans na napakadaming Filipino dito na they're not workers but tourists. First time in their place na magkaroon ng ganito kalaking event. As I mentioned on my previous live videos. Jovi, ang ang sipag nyo, mag-field kayo sa Malabon. Good luck and God bless in your mission. Again, para po sa mga nanunood, bakit nandito ang IMG? We held our convention, one of our international conventions. First time ng IMG na mag-convention sa isang country na kailangan may visa. So, it was really a very good experience to everyone. And isa sa mga natutunan ko, yung mga updates ni Boss Rex Mendoza. Again, na-mention ko na yun. Pero gusto ko sanang i-emphasize yung tama na yung reklamo sa pagtaas ng bilihin when it comes to sa Pilipinas, kasi nandun na yun, eh. And we found out from the history of inflation rates in the Philippines na 6% is not the most sad inflation rate. So the best way to compensate that and the best way to fight poverty as the effect of the inflation rate is to invest, is really to save. Pilitin ang sarili na magkaroon pa ng multiple income streams. Tingnan kung yung potential mo to gain income from other sources, not just employment but business. One of the learnings or yung mismong principle ni IMG is to really build solid financial foundation. It all will start with protection. Protection meaning you should start with, you have your own long-term health care, you have your insurance, may it be life and non-life. You also have to invest on real assets, and you need to look at your financial strategy if you are really preparing for your future. Like, kailangan alam mo, and you're literate enough to know these financial products that will build your future, that will save your family. It's like asking yourself now two things. What if you die too soon? Who will take care of your family? That's why in that case you need protection for your family, like life insurance. But there's another if in life, like what if it's the other way around? You live too long, or you live long enough, which is yun ang gusto natin. So ang kailangan natin, there's another solution. It's also a problem when you live too long. It's not 95 years old ka na, buhay ka pa, so wala ka ng trabaho. Where will you get the budget to sustain your life? You need another protection, which is again long-term health care. So whatever happens to you during the times that you have health issues in yourself, there's a budget, and there's an allotment na magpapagamot sa'yo. Hindi mo na kailangang manghingi, hindi mo na kailangan kumuha ng budget or gumastos para magpa-doktor, di ba? So if you have your long-term healthcare plus another protection, investment, if you have investment, ininvest mo siya from the time na malakas ka pa. So isa yun sa mga tinuturo natin dito sa IMC. Kailangan nalalaman natin kung ano yung mga financial vehicles based on our financial goals. Ano yung mga vehicles na pwedeng pagsimula ng Pinoy or i-continue ng Pinoy para magkaroon sila ng magandang future. So if you have questions about how to start with mutual funds, how to start with in stock market, we can answer your questions. You can also write your question here, and then we can also answer you right away. So isa yun sa kinakampanya actually ng IMG, kasi sa nangyayari ngayon dito sa atin, wala na yung politics kasi given na talaga, di ba? But what we are really fighting right now is we're really fighting for one of the biggest enemy of human, and it's poverty. So isa yun sa challenge namin bilang mga missionaries of IMG, bilang mga financial advisors and coaches. We wanted every Filipino to learn how to really save and invest and build their future. So lahat tayo tatanda, lahat tayo, madami tayong excuses madami tayong sinasabi na wala tayong pera, saka na yan, di pa ako nagkakasakit, something like that. But one thing is for sure, we will always age. We will always get older. So yun yung isa sa mga hugot ko why I started this kind of business. The only business that you help other families, you help your family, You will be blessed to become a blessing. Hi, Pastora Feli, that's your line. And you also enjoy your life like this. So, where can you meet a company and a group of people like this na tumutulong ka, nagbi-business ka, at the same time kumikita ka. So I think we're really on the right track. I can now tell, ito hindi ko na masabi sa mga una kong napasok na ventures, but I will tell it right away na dito ko gustong tumanda. One of the mission of IMG is to help other people. No family left behind. The only company where you can bring everybody, your friends, especially your family, and get promoted. My mother is a marketing director here. My sister is a senior marketing director here, and as well as my husband, pareho kaming senior marketing director. And the only position na pwede mong ipamana sa anak mo, if we wanted to retire, senior marketing director ang mga anak ko. If I became CEO and I wanted to retire, or if our good Lord gave me my final time to leave this planet, meron akong ipapamana sa anak ko. Wala akong nakitang kumpanya na pag naging CEO ka, naging general ka, or whatever position you have in that company, pwede mong ipamana sa anak mo. Dito lang. So, bakit ko sinasabi to? Yes, of course. I wanted you to join us. However, we wanted you to learn first. We wish every Filipino to learn how to be in the financial industry properly, how to really invest, how to really build their own wealth in the right way. So there's a lot to learn from IMG, but what we wanted to what message can we give you right now is to study first, right? Since we are giving free financial education, we are inviting everyone to join us. It can be in IMG Batangas or IMG Makati. We have a lot of financial centers here in the Philippines. We also have Seoul, but we have just met the coaches here. Sensya na po, sobrang lamig. Nilalamig na kami talaga. Kahit saan po sa mundo merong IMG coaches. And once you met an IMG coach, you'll see. And you'll also feel what I felt from the first time I met a coach from IMG. Nakakita ko ng second family, nakakita ko ng group of people who can really show me how to save my family. And again, ito po yung nakasave sa pamilya ko. Ito yung nakapagturo sa akin na hindi na ituro sa school. Ito yung nagturo sa akin kung paano hindi matakot sa future. Kasi all the while, akala ko lagi na lang fear kapag tumanda ka, paano pag namatay ka, something like that. No? Sinong maiiwan sa family mo? Dito ko naramdaman na may pag-asa. Dito ko naramdaman na you can do something about that fear and prepare for it. So again, we are all inviting you, everyone, to join us. And if you wanted to get your free coaching, just PM me, let me know. I can help you. We can help you. So we are blessing everyone here from Korea, from IMG family, lahat po na nakikinig, lahat po ng nanonood. We're blessing everyone. We're praying for every Filipinos to be more blessed para makapag-bless pa tayo ng iba pang mga Pilipino. So again, goodbye po muna kasi sobrang lamig na although maaraw. So from Korea, I guess yung mga nakikinig na mga Pilipino at mga kaibigan namin, sana positive pa rin tayo sa buhay. And we thank the Lord for now. We're blessing everyone now. Ingat po tayong lahat. Mabuhay po ang mga Pilipino. Dito po sa Korea, namamayagpag ang pagmamahal. Thank you so much. God bless.